Hello and welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review. Stay tuned as Skyriss brings you the latest market news and insights to power up your day.
Apple stock rose 2.2% on Tuesday to $275.25, driven by renewed investor optimism around its AI initiatives and strong forecasts for wearables and services growth. Germany's stock market index closed at an over one-week high of 24,096 on Tuesday, the second day of gains, supported by growing expectations of a resolution to the U.S. government shutdown. U.S. gasoline futures climbed above $2 per gallon this Wednesday, the highest since September, as the winter heating season approaches and inventories shrink. The Japanese yen slipped toward 155 per dollar, approaching 9-month lows, as risk-on sentiment, driven by hopes for a U.S. government reopening, reduced demand for the safe haven currency. Bitcoin dropped to around $103,400 on Wednesday, driven by cautious institutional flows, tighter financial conditions, and macroeconomic headwinds. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10:30 a.m., the annual inflation rate in India is expected to decrease, after reaching 1.5% in September. At 9:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the crude oil stock change for November 7, following 6.5 million barrels in the week ending October 31st. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 7 a.m., the UK will release figures for the gross domestic product of September, following 0.1% in August. At 12 p.m., the retail sales in Brazil are expected to increase, after reaching 0.2% in August.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.